Hi, my name is Herdiansyah. I'm from 22nd D Educational English class in Mercubuana University. In this video, I will give you a review about food and beverage from well-known restaurant. It's called Rocket Chicken Nologatun. It's located in Sleman, Yogyakarta. Let's start with restaurant review. As you might expect, nothing really special. Like any other fast food restaurant, the simplicity is the priority. The interior, full of red color, which most people believe could increase the desire to eat. The service was not the best, but it's fine. I ordered the chicken stick package that will cost you 13,500 rupees. It's not taking too long because usually chicken stick is longer to wait than any other food in that restaurant. Let's open the package. Chicken stick is made with brown stock. Vegetables such as bean, carrot, corn, and piece of the potato added into the plate. And also there is sauce such as tomato sauce and pepper sauce. And there's a rice to add carbohydrate. For beverage, I brought iced tea. It's included with the chicken stick package. Alright, let's give it a test. For the taste, I'm gonna say it's pretty good. The chicken stick tastes like ordinary chicken fried, but when smeared with brown stock, it felt so tasty. The iced tea fresh in my throat after eating this course. So this is my verdict. The service is friendly and quickly serve your order. The place felt generic and simple, but have nice color and wallpaper. Despite how cheap course is, the taste wasn't very bad. That's my review. I hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.